Yeah, that's how it works. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, we can just retake that. You know, we just pretend that we never said that. Anyway, so I actually ended early today, so I came home at like 15. It's 20 for me now, and I've done about nothing. Yeah, I mean, I should have been doing something, really. But, I mean, here we are. That's Groot. That is crazy. I am crazy. Ducks? Well, that sucks. Dutch from Red Dead Redemption 2? Huh? Right. Yes. No, I don't know. Right? Mm-hmm. 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 You know, that's usually what happens. That's usually what happens in your videos, but you can have it like just reversed. Yeah. All right. But Lucas, if it is so good, and I'm fine, bro. If okay, but hear me out. If it's so good, can we get a sneak peek? No, you're not muted. Uh, oh yeah, well they don't deserve to hear, anyways.
Oh, okay now. Yeah, I was just saying that the
Yeah.
next video is gonna be fire, and Harold is awesome.
Can we get a sneak peek?
Sneak peek.
Sure.
If you want a sneak peek, you
Sneak
just
peek.
have to join the Discord server. I'm sorry, those are the rules.
Bro, it's not here, bro. What do you mean? What do you
I'm
mean that we
sorry,
have an
like
Discord
those are the
server?
rules.
Oh yeah,
I don't
that's
know.
a
Wait,
rude
let me just.
soda.
That's crazy. He lost the connection. What? How do you get
God
back?
damn it. How did I get back in here, bro? I have perms. Bro, really trying to like remove the admin here. Yeah, sorry, man. I have more perms than you almost.
That's just because you know how to use Discord and I don't.
Yeah, exactly. I'm a Discord moderator, so I'm an expert at this.
For real.
I actually don't know what to do either, but I know more than you do, so.
Yeah, unfortunately, that's the reality we live in, isn't it? I guess it's actually fortunately. Because then you just add cool soundboard effects, and I'm like, that's awesome. And you're like, yeah, I know. And I'm like, damn.
Cool soundboard effects? Oh, you think they're cool?
Oh, fuck's sake. Ah, why did I mention it? Ah.
Yeah.
Okay, but that's
I mean, this one is
nah.
kind of banger.
But it's you
Like,
know.
look at the beat, bro. This is perfect.
But where the fuck am I in my project?
You're lazy.
I'm not even in the project. I'm like in my root or in my home directory.
Bro's trying to win his hardware again.
I was like, this project doesn't look familiar to me.
Yes.
But we are gonna continue on from the material. Yes.
There's
yes.
so many files, bro. What the?
And we're gonna probably have more. And this is just for the renderer still.
Nothing is public.
But don't,
Yeah,
things
nothing
don't
is
need to be
public.
public.
Bro, I just make everything public, so if someone wants to change it out later more easily, they can. I just don't make like helper function and send that shit, you know, public.
The thing is that people are not supposed to be having access to these things, alright? They are just locally on for these things.
Right. I mean, I think they should be
Encapsulation,
able to
as
have
they
access
call
to
it,
it.
in object-oriented
Oh,
programming.
hell.
You
Yeah, and that's in OOP, you know.
yeah, but
OOP menace over here,
encapsulation
you know.
is still good to an extent, alright? Like, you don't want to
What do you
pass
mean, bro?
your
I
renderer.
just call things in assembly.
But you can still do encaps. Okay, maybe not. But bro, like you don't want to call
Yeah.
your renderer through your game logic.
Well, no, I would just use a go-to, you know.
I mean,
And I probably like move some things into some registers, and then I would like send it over to the GPU with like a syscall that I called through the assembly, you know. I don't really have encapsulation, you know. So I don't know.
mean, I guess
you
if
know,
you use go to, I guess then it's fine.
Yeah, exactly. Some go-tos and some registers, you know.
Just
That's all you need.
yeah, I guess.
Because I know how to make the most memory efficient app. Okay, so you don't use any like allocated memory. You just use the registers.
Bro, how small is this app going
That's
to be?
so safe. Well, I don't know, man. Don't ask. It's gonna do like nothing.
I mean, I guess you could do addition with it, multiplication.
Yeah, I mean, you can technically store things in like the really big registers, you know, for like U128.
That's true. But
Or like
have you
CD,
considered?
you know.
What are these things called? They are called as much as yes. Wait, what the fuck are they called?
Yes.
They are called what are they called? Wait, I just
Also, hello, empty.
hello entry Spintronics.
Not. Oh my god, I'm so dumb, bro. You're all cats, so it's unbelievable. It's cheesecake.
Cheesecake. Did I read
Bro, everyone's
Döner?
a cat. It's hard to tell.
Oh no. Oh no,
Döner?
T-Chef
You know,
is in the chat and he's speaking German now again.
Bro, Döner is like barely German at this point. Like, if you don't know what it means, you're cooked.
Is it Döner or Döner?
Döner.
Döner. What does that mean?
Yeah. But it's just kebab. It is kebab.
Ah. Ah.
Yeah.
German
man.
kebab. I'm not really a big fan of kebab.
We're streaming
Yeah, me
now,
neither.
aren't we?
Damon,
Dude, I love kebabs.
where is your
Kebabs-
announcement? I
kebabs are
didn't
delicious.
hear you join.
You got streamer mode on.
Dumbass.
Dumbass.
Hey,
We need to
I will let you have
get
you
this guy
know
out of here.
that I actually
Admit that.
Like men? What? Oh!
Oh.
hey yo.
Well, I mean, I knew. But...
You knew it? Harold.
Yeah, I mean, his same, you
Alright,
know,
quick,
his
quick.
same in Latin.
Quick, before you get too far into whatever you want to call this, what is Planetary Zigma?
Yeah.
What is it? Whatever. Check out my stream here real quick.
Alright.
As soon as this, I'll get some bread, baby.
Yeah. See you later.
Alright. I'm putting you on the big screen now. Show us
Oh,
what
no, it's not safe for work.
Don't worry, I lost the connection. You've been disconnected.
No, I'm just kidding. Why? So I'll reconnect.
Okay,
Kind of
now
doxing you on
there it
Discord.
is.
All right. Okay, you see what we got here? We got
Yeah.
fucking RuneScape.
Yeah, I see.
It's all of RuneScape.
Mm-hmm.
I got the height map and
Yeah.
some texture. I just grabbed the fucking map texture. But
Yeah.
now I can walk around
Yo.
RuneScape in 3D.
Nah.
Look at that. I'm just chilling. Oh, actually, hold up. I'm missing my trees here. There we go. Now I got my trees. There we go. We got some trees. We got the Lumbridge Bridge here.
Oh, I know this bridge.
Got some colliders I put in here. You can't see them. Yeah, this bridge here, and then you should normally fight goblins here, but we ain't gonna speak about that just yet, right, Jimmy?
That's a sexy face right there. Holy shit.
And this is where you fight cows.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah. You can. This is look at that. Isn't that crazy? I haven't quite gotten to Varrock yet, but as you can see, we got ourselves the general store, the smithery furnace place. We got the bar. We got the church. You can come in here and say your prayers. So don't worry about the colors. I'm not worried about them either. Don't worry about that.
That's great.
And then we got this thing I just added. We got the swamp.
So many frames.
Not quite there
yet. I mean, I'm counting
nice
them right now. Holy shit.
I don't know what's up with Discord today. Actually, that it's something.
Yeah, for me too. Like I had to like uninstall Hyperland and reinstall it, and then like update my whole Arch Linux, which was scary. And then my OBS broke, and then I had to fix that.
Today?
Yeah.
Dude,
Today you did all that?
Look how clean my world colliders are.
Sure.
Wow, that's so clean.
Harold, I'm getting kind of used to this, like these things. I'm just immediate. I don't even need to read error messages. I just know what to do.
I was at that point, but then I just switched to a better OS.
How stream is ended. Oh, that was an awesome stream. Thank you, Damon, for that. Yeah. It was awesome.
Because I was handling with this Frankenstein.
I can send you the build if you want to walk around RuneScape in 3D.
Can you run?
Bro's computer won't handle it.
Linux or Linux? That's I don't know.
Nah, it's totally possible.
I would build it to a Linux exe or not exe, a fucking SO file, whatever the fuck it is.
Yeah.
And then you would just run it like a game,
in that sense. Wait, let me think.
Yo,
T-Chef is here. Oh, sorry, no, I need to get this Planetary Zigma up and running. I need to be able to run in my own thing. I don't know if this makes sense. I think I should maybe pass the shader modules in. It's not too bad to maybe do the loading in here, but then it's also like, yeah. Maybe it's not too bad. Again, I'm not trying to be perfect. I'm trying to make this thing work. So I'm just gonna take it in here. It's probably not gonna be the way
you're
I
trying
like
to be
it.
perfect.
Bro, have you seen my shit that I do? When has it ever been perfect?
No, you're perfect in the sense that you're unperfect. You're perfectly unperfect.
Oh, that's so kind.
Yeah, you're perfectly trash at Sig.
Wait, what the fuck? How dare you? I'm
actually perfect.
Yeah.
VK Shade, this is not how you do it. Harold, I know, shut the fuck up, alright?
Exactly how you do it.
Mesh...
Well, in C25 you can do it like that.
Oh my god. C25.
Like in our language, you could do a cube with that.
Oh my god, guys, what the fuck?
No.
I'm just gonna do that, and I don't even call it this thing. Actually, I'm just gonna go to the renderer. We're gonna... The way I do it over here, we're gonna do the same thing. Here.
Yo, Harold, I see you have been cooking.
Nice.
Nice.
Sylvan's doing another portfolio roasting.
Who's doing? Sure.
Perfect.
No. You just do your stream, right?
Yeah. I will do that. Let's see.
Yeah, I go back to work.
I'm always back to work.
Let's
Mesh frag shader, yeah. Yeah, we're not doing compute shaders right now. This is not what we want. What is the shortcut to B? Yeah, but I would like to do that in insert mode. Anyways, mesh dot frag dot spv. Shouldn't do spur. Yeah, that should be it. And we will just take that away, then we'll yank that and paste it. We'll go here, we'll go insert node and cut that off. And insert that and paste it in there. And this one is just vertex. Now, that should be alright. And then let's see, push constant range, matrix range, okay. Now,
Because why is your fragment shader called where?
frag?
Because
Fra,
it's-
thank you, T-Chef. I would have probably have missed that for like ever.
Oh no, I thought it was actually your name of a file. I was like, wondering,
no.
wait, why are you calling it frag?
You know, I'm very good with these typos, and I would probably call my fragment shader a fra, but this time I haven't, I think. Alright, and then we're gonna take this thing, and we're gonna take that off, and put that there, and I think we can do it once. And we should be able to just do bam, bam. Almost right. ek.c, and then equal dot, and then this, and now fuck that. Damn. And then we can take this in here. Whoa. And we should
Harold, the tokenizer is fire.
Sure. Harold getting compliments.
No, this is actual trash. No. This is actual garbage. This is the exact same tokenizer as before. So there's no difference. I just added like helper functions.
No, but I mean, like, it works. Fire. Like, I haven't looked at the
Yeah.
code bug.
Okay.
Just works. It's good.
Yeah. It's awful though.
Draw.
It
push
looks like
constants.
trash.
Wait.
I want to add 3D now.
I just won't care about the tokenizer. I mean, who cares about it if it's clean?
Where is this thing coming from? It's from the mesh, isn't it? Oh, it's from the mesh, okay. Well, what the fuck? Then we have to take it from the mesh. I think we already have the mesh, don't we have the mesh? Don't have the mesh, we need to import the mesh. Well, just need a push constant. I will import the whole thing either way. Mesh. Just to be explicit that this comes from mesh, because I'm not sure I want to keep it here. But for now we'll just do it. Mesh dot that size of this, and then it's going to be get C, and that should be pretty much it for it to be happy. Then we have, I don't have this builder as it's doing it, but I do have the layout. The builder, I have pipeline. Do I have pipeline? What do I call it? Descriptor. But this is a descriptor, yeah. So I can do descriptor, layout. I need to do the config. How did I do it? Descriptor layout config, and then add binding to config, and then I initialize it with the config. Yeah. I don't know, maybe I could change that actually. That could almost just be in the descriptor layout. You would just add bindings directly to the... Like, what does this thing otherwise have? The config. This could literally just be inside of the thing itself. I don't think you need to do it through a config. I think it would just make just layout, add binding, and then just, well, it's kind of like init. I don't want to have it separate. That's the reason why I have it a config, right? Because I think when you do the init, that's when you should. Yeah, because I would have figured it out actually. If I went like trying to do init here, I was like, oh right, I need a config before that. So yeah. Layout
Really?
builder, yeah. Layout config. And we're just gonna create temporary in here.
By the way, teacher, what are we calling them? Are we calling them shapes, or what did we decide on?
Oh, right. Michael is still calling them shapes.
Where's my LSP?
Yeah, we can just call them
Uh,
shapes. But
Right.
it's-
Yeah, you
that's
can
fine.
just call them
Let's
shapes,
be-
I guess.
What am I doing? What am I? Harold, look away.
I'm not even looking.
Good. Because you.
Because I have a quote for you. So, well, it's not a quote, it's a question. So, are you working hard, or are you hardly working?
I'm working hard, but it's not working.
You're working hard? Alright, bro. I mean, if that's what you want to do.
My working is hard. Wait, which key am I supposed to press here? Isn't it I, B? Yeah, I was doing the right thing, I don't know. 0. And then, well, actually I could just make this so much easier on myself. I'll just do this. Oopsie daisy. Why? Ah! No! Fucking Christ. Okay, there. Nailed it first try. Anyways. We're gonna do this, take this up here, do that, and then we can just take this away, and then we can do a and then we can do this, and we can go forward, and we can do that, and we can do this, and then we can do layout, confirm that, and for some reason that always happens. Which I don't know why. But that's okay. I will just fix it like this for now. And right, and then another one. Bam, 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 bam. Wait, no, that's stupid. This is what I meant to do. Yeah, and then we can go back to here, and we can do vk.c. We can do that, and bam. What the fuck? Okay, great. Now my multi-cursor is fucked, and I can't escape it. Oh no! Oh no! And none of my Vim bindings work. This is fantastic. No! Okay, I escaped it like that. That's not a good way to escape it. Okay, and now no, I cannot.
It's the best way.
Let me just quit that one. I quit all of them. No! Okay, doesn't matter really, to be honest, because I was still just fixing stuff. Material. Bam. Alright. So we have added all of these, and then layout builder just build. So now I can call the init. So we can do a I'm still considering if I should have the config separate. But it's like it's kind of.
What do you mean separate? What?
I will show you. You watching?
Sure.
So I have the descriptor layout here, right?
Alright.
And then I have a config for the layout to be created, the same as I do for the pipeline. But the pipeline makes sense because it's like a monster, you know? But for layout, I'm like, I add here bindings to the config, and then I initialize the layout with a config, you know? But I'm like, does this really make sense? Should I just have this add binding directly on top of the layout and then call init, and then you wouldn't pass in the config? Because it's so small, it's literally just a small array, right?
Yeah. One thing also, if you're going to pass in like config like that, I would recommend to do like star const config,
Also, you don't modify
because you're not
it.
muting the config.
Yeah,
Yeah.
good
You should
point.
always use const if you're not modifying it.
Yeah, but I'm wondering if I should do it even at all, this extra config
Nah, probably
creation.
not.
Yeah, but then again, if I don't do it, then I would have to create the layout once and then call init on it, and that's kind of stupid. Because now with config, I just create this thing on the stack, and then I pass it in, and this one do an actual allocation, initialize it, everything, right? So.
Too bad.
So I guess it still makes sense. Because I don't want to create the thing and then call init on it. That's just stupid.
Sure.
Don't you think it's
I have
stupid?
a
I think it's
question.
pretty pathetic.
Mm.
Or I could pass
Yeah,
in
very
actually
personal stream
a
request.
an array of bindings directly in here, you know, just take it in and then for each of them just then you could use what is
Yeah.
it called?
Yeah.
The initialization what's it called?
Syntax.
Yeah, but you know when I could just call
Aggregate.
init and then take a new line for each binding that I want to use, and then I could just take advantage of that instead.
I don't know what you mean, but absolutely.
Wait,
Yeah.
let me show you something. Let me show you something. Where do we do this? I think we do it somewhere. If I go to the renderer, for example, here, like this. So I would call init layout, and then here I would have like, it would take in an array list of bindings, and you would just initialize them here in the init. So you could have a whole thing here.
I mean, it's all throwaway anyway, so.
No,
doesn't matter.
this won't be throwaway. The descriptor is not gonna be throwaway.
No, this will be throwaway.
No.
Everything's gonna be throwaway. We're gonna throw away this entire thing.
No. But I'm asking you, like, would
Yes.
that be better to do it like that instead? Just taking an array of.
I mean, yeah, taking an array.
Because an array of these things, descriptor set layouts binding, because they are literally just a simple struct. They are not yet created, right? And then when I initialize the layout, here I go through each and every one of these. I add this thing apparently to the flags, apparently, and then here it uses this thing, but it only uses it once to create a thing. Wait, let me see. Yeah, and then it has the descriptor set layout. And it would be so much cleaner, less to think about, you know, because you would just pass it directly in when you do the init. You wouldn't have to think about. You don't need a config anywhere else before, except for the initialization. So it would be way cleaner.
Yeah, sure. I mean, if you don't need it anywhere else, and you don't really. I mean,
And
you
also,
shouldn't use a config for like one thing.
yeah, that's like for the pipeline it makes sense, right? Because this thing is horrendous. Like this is the config.
Yeah, but it's like taking in a. Yeah.
like
Well, it's like taking in an integer with an entire struct as encapsulator.
Yeah.
You know.
Let me just fuck, I should be able to we will actually I will just comment this out and I will try to run the thing. I need to comment out a little bit.
Harold,
Yes.
coming to my question. This really won't
Yes.
take long.
Expression found.
So
Yep.
you see right now the renderer draw shape takes in the shape pointer, right?
That should be that.
Alright.
And right now we are creating it inline.
Yeah,
But
that's
Oh, no.
now I want to like add an object to it, so like obj. So
Yeah.
How it would be that you do like basically shape dot mesh equals like load obj, for example, right? But then I need
Yeah.
basically to create the shape outside of this, so not inline. So how can I do that?
Just store it in the renderer. So we just do renderer load and blah blah blah, and then we can just pass in a string for the renderer. So we can be like, yo, we want to draw Bob, you know, and then the renderer is like, okay, you've probably been Bob OBJ.
Yeah, but
You
like how I would do that, you say like we have here our like I guess shape. I guess can be console. No way.
I mean, you can
Shape.
load like a model, you know, and then we can give the shape the
Yeah.
model.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
c dot shape. Wait, not like this. No wait. No, it's like and then we basically do this what we have right here down. Then we do shape dot mesh equals renderer load obj, then like renderer shape red slash models slash I guess dragon dot obj, you know. I want to do it somewhere
Yeah.
like this, and then instead of this making it inline, I want to pass it like this. But it doesn't work like that, right? I need to do something else. Like for
I mean, it's gonna be hard to free the model data later. I think we should just make the renderer like give a. I mean, yeah, no, I get what you mean. Also, probably don't call it. Well, I guess you can call it mesh because it's the actual thing.
But okay, wait, now I know what you mean. I should probably do it like I do it for the textures, right? So that I'm just assigning an ID to it. It's probably better. So you can easily fool
Yeah.
it and yeah, okay, wait.
Well, you can just make it a structure also, so you can do like, you know, renderer init model or something, and then you can give it the thing, and then you can have like a create mesh or whatever, and it gives like a structure or something.
Now,
Or you
not
can
gonna lie,
just
I
have
think
like a
ID
model.
is better for OpenGL because it's returning like I need to only the ID regardless, you know, because this is like creating the VBOs and stuff, and then I'm just binding them with the ID. The thing this
Yeah,
one would
but we
actually work.
also want to be able to like clear all the VBOs and shit later. Like remove
Yeah.
them if we were gonna have hot reloading or whatever.
Yeah.
You're gonna do hot reloading?
Yeah, then we can
Hell
just
yeah, that's what
clear-
I'm talking about.
But it's
Yeah, that's
not.
the
I don't know if
reason.
it's really hot reloading. It's basically just reloading.
Nah, I think it's not reloading.
I think it's called reloading, but sure.
Okay, I guess so, yeah. But what's even the difference between reloading and hot reloading?
Hot
Hot
reloading is
reloading,
basically you
like, loads
compile
it
and it will
at
like
the same state.
yeah.
And reloading just resets the state, which is probably what we are going to do, I guess.
No, okay, I see.
Like it isn't very hard. We can just store the time if we want some kind of hot reloading. It's not really, you know,
Yeah.
annoying to make with this.
Okay. Okay, but then I know what to do.
Yeah, I agree.
I think Damon is spitting
Snapchat, go
wild
hard.
facts right now. Like, holy shit.
It should be like this ampersand dot and then dot offset. Yeah. But I don't really get my damn LSP.
Why? Ah, because I have some issues before that. Okay, I need to find the earliest before I try to do this. So let's see. Oh my god. Yeah, but that's a different kind of config. Okay, so this is the first one. So I'm just gonna switch this one up here. And it's gonna yap about this thing, and we're gonna do that, we're gonna do this, fuck. And we're gonna do that, we're gonna go here, bam, bam. And then we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna do this, and then I should be able to understand that I want to do what I want to do, but it doesn't seem to be able to understand that. Well, I can do a temporary one. vk.c and then
One thing about the
Fine.
languages, if you know the new keyword, we need to have some type safety for it. So should it be like new hello shape, or should it be like new shape hello, or shape new? I think new
Hello,
shape.
new shape here.
Yeah, new shape is good. New shape
No,
is
it should
good.
be
Yeah,
hello, new shape here.
what's your
Hello,
emergency?
Or maybe we do it like hello equals new shape. You know?
What the fuck?
I don't know, man.
Doesn't that make
seems
sense?
kinda...
Isn't that what all
I mean,
things
that
should
kind
do?
of makes sense. It's basically like C++.
Yeah.
Come
like
on.
everything, I guess. Aren't you doing? You're like, okay, normally you do
Yeah.
this, right?
On this one and
In
then
like
this
Java.
Yeah, I guess.
But wait,
But
you
like,
wanted to do new shape.
shape. Hello.
Okay, I guess. No. You do mean like this probably, right?
Yeah.
Not gonna lie, that also works. You could do that.
Oops,
Yeah, we'll do that.
I mean, these are
And
just
then
like
this
small things.
5 is
Yeah.
equal to
Not gonna lie, not very small, but it's good.
vk descriptor type storage.
Yeah.
Storage. Virgin. And like so. And I don't need that anymore. And we don't need that. Nope. But now line 185 should be fine. 185 is not fine. Name descriptor. Yeah, there's not. What the hell? $184.
expected found. Right. Cast discard. Yeah, but I need it. I cannot give it.
How did we do it here? Because but here I didn't need it to be like that. Let's see. Push constant. Yeah, well. I don't think I can make it constant here because that will just. Because I need to modify it.
Hmm.
Okay. Let's see. Don't know how. Is there a way to resolve it, or do you have to make it a bear? I think I might have to make it a bear, but please tell me I'm wrong. 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 Please tell me I'm
It's
wrong.
pronounced var or variable,
It's a bear.
not var. There's no other. But
It's
that
a
was a bit to
bear.
finish. We're gonna have to finish it. Yeah, you know.
It's a bear.
Sure, buddy.
Fix the array. We convert the array pointer to a slice. Yeah, that's what I would have to do, and I hope I wouldn't have to be doing that. Or even shorter. Okay, this I can accept. But I don't know if it will actually resolve the issue though. I can try that. This I feel acceptable doing. $984 expected, found, didn't really help. Caller init, that did not work. Kali, that's what I did, so it still doesn't. I could also just try running it through the, what's it called, Claude. Let's see what that one says, because then I don't have to keep pasting these things. Reject your call one specific reason, you're passing a pointer to a const. Yeah, but your function parameter don't require mutable. I need. Why? Because you're. Yeah, I know that. You don't have to explain it to me. But thank you anyway. You must allocate a mutable array, not a const. Yes. So I have to do it outside. I don't want to do it outside. Please don't tell me I can do it out. To change init function to accept const, but only if it remove mutable. But I cannot remove. This is important. Unless I move it outside, but that's just kind of funny. But I think it might even be better. Yeah, and I can change it to const. Actually, it might be better. Mutation, then you can safely change. But then again, every shader that goes through this thing is going to be using it, so. Or is it? I think it might even be cleaner to not do this. We're gonna remove that. And then we don't need this thing. We can simply just find. It will be a little bit more code in the other places, but I think it's actually fine because I would still prefer it. So then you can save the bindings to, yeah. Honest. Like so. There's just a small tweak we have to do in, not there, here. What? Render. And that is that we also need to take this from here, put it at the end with that. Yeah, but that's still better, I think. Fuck, there's an error somewhere. Too many parentheses, yeah. And then expected. That's weird. Oh, wait. What? Hold on, I cannot see this right now. Why did it add those extra? Let me just have this so I can see what's supposed to happen. Okay, and then we start this. That one should end with that, and then we're gonna end. That is how I want it, right? That should be fine.
But it's not. Why not?
Am I wrong? This should start that. That starts this. It goes to there. It ends it. It ends that thing, and then we have this to the end. I guess I could do without that, but now am I just missing? Oh, I'm missing a parenthesis. Still. Wait, what? No, this should be okay. Okay. Because I don't want this, right? I'm gonna take it away. So, then I'm gonna go here. Paste it in there. And then I'm gonna type it. What's the difference between this that I just did? Nothing, that's right. Stupid shit. Okay, anyways, now I can make it just a bit cleaner.
What's going on? This is going on. That's barely okay-ish.
Like so. And then that's fine, I think. That's very clean. And then yes. Okay, so this is how we'll go. This is the new init of layout, and then we don't need the damn config. And I think this is also very explicit. You're saying that I'm gonna create this layout with these bindings directly on the spot. You don't need anything extra. Yeah. Yeah. That's how we're gonna do it. So we're gonna take it again from here. Can actually just make it a little bit easier in my mind. I'm gonna yank that. Of course, it's a lot to add up front here, but I think it's
Then?
when you see. No, you don't abstract anything here.
And then?
What? And then? Oh no. Somebody tell Damon to get help.
Nah.
Nah. What do you mean, nah?
Nah. Nah.
You mean you don't.
I just don't think so.
How dare you? Damon was your friend,
Yeah, that's right.
and he trusted you.
Hey, let's not make up lies now.
Okay, my bad.
Yeah. Exactly. Go back to your.
I'm just trying to
seat.
make everybody friends
Get
with
back to
everybody,
you.
okay?
Billy
I'm just that guy, you know?
No. I'm the enemy of the state, and you.
Oh, you're a menace.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty accurate, actually. Buffer. Damn, that's some crazy flags right there. Sure.
Trash.
Buffer. So. Okay, that should be happy. Yeah, 214 is the next issue. Perfect. That's gonna yank that again.
Oh, Harold, I swear, I can't spell renderer anymore.
Well, stop
This
swearing
is
then.
so
Yeah.
difficult to write.
Just copy paste it. This is the advantage
I
with
will
C.
make
You
a
only have to write
macro
it
for
once.
it.
A macro. Oh, brother.
Vertex.
This guy.
This is just the same setup. Take that away. And let's see, next thing is in it. Yes. But I cannot use this here. And then 121. This one. That. And let's see, it's now it's a different kind. And this one will go to the fragment shader, so nah. Word. Fragment shader. We still need to pipe it though. And then we can click that. And 221, config can go away. Perfect. Let's see if it runs. did not run. And also in the begin end range of the script binding type. Descriptor type does not fall within the it's not an extension added token. Binding. Okay, wait. Why did descriptor type? No. Oh. Okay. We're chilling. This binding type 35 does not in range of descriptor type enumeration. Okay. Binding was created with unhandled descriptor type. Okay, so I have just the wrong type. Maybe I did a typo somewhere.
Walter.
I have just the wrong binding. Descriptor type uniform. Let's see. Right, these are not that.
I'm not having sex with you, Walter.
Hey.
Very interesting.
Very interesting. Right, now I see. Shit. Wait, let me see. Easy. Because I'm supposed to stage flags. Yeah, I put it in the wrong spot. My bad. We'll fix it. Well, let's actually make it cleaner. I think we could at that point stage. That's not the dot. Stage flags equals this, and I can do that. Save it like so. Yeah, just have to do that. Yank that. I don't know what I was thinking. I was mixing flags. Not a good idea. Stage flags is equal to that. Oopsie daisy, what's going on? Sure, double comma. Yeah. Forgot about that. And the buffer. Alright. And then we still have, I think we have one more here, I guess. Whoa! Now we're gonna add a comma. And is that it? Yeah, it seemed to have compiled, so now we should be fine. There it is. I'm not gonna resize it because then I would just get disappointed that it won't work. But yeah, I think that's still way cleaner than having the config there, because layout this is pretty self-explanatory now, that you just initialize the descriptor layout, you tell it what kind of bindings you want.
Code?
What?
What even is clean code?
Doesn't
Like,
exist.
Can you even like explain it? Like
No, it's actually just following some
Code that
kind
feels
of
good.
It's a complex. It's kind of like trying to explain undefined behavior. Like it's just it's there when you define it, right?
Undefined, bro.
When it looks good.
When it looks good.
That's when it's
well, I guess it's a
clean.
kind of subject also, but there's like some like try to keep one format, you know, like don't
Looks
do like
good and
me.
works well.
Don't write with different. Don't use snake case and then you use camel case and then you do something different, kebab case, you know.
I think clean code is just about consistency.
Yeah, consistency.
Yeah.
And also like kind of like
and knowing, like having guidelines.
Yeah, and that trying to make things that just make sense, so it's actually understandable when you see it. Like what I did, I just removed the whole damn config, and this is like, I think this is pretty self-explanatory. You just take a descriptor layout and you initialize it with this descriptor set that you provide, and it's like it's right there. You can see it directly in the code. There's no weird, ambiguous.
I can't.
Well, what? Or at least I think this is better. I don't know. Maybe somebody else would say it was better the old way, but I don't know. I felt like it was horrendous trying to. I had to create a struct. Well, that's kind of like the whole Vulkan thing. Actually, you create a struct and then you create the thing. But I think for Vulkan it makes sense. But for this, but Vulkan could also have had this, which Sig provides. You know, you could have an init if it was written in Sig. You know, I'm just saying. I'm just saying. that if Vulkan was written in C,
It would be so much nicer, I know.
should we apply it to Chrono's group and rewrite the library in Sig for anyone who needs it?
Yeah, I think they will love that.
And it wouldn't work anymore.
Sounds like a
Will
brain
be
idea.
deprecated immediately.
Actually, let me just do one more change before I do that. I'm having issues thinking right now. I'm gonna remove this. Bam! Don't need that anymore. And now look how beautiful it is. I think I can still do similar improvements somewhere around here, but I don't know how yet. But I will get to that once I get to this. Ah, this feels so sexy. Damn, it's good. Got.
Sexy until it's not sexy.
Yeah, you know, eventually you just get used to looking at that and you're like, I could make it even hotter, you know? And then make it hotter.
Nah.
Refactored. Factor. the descriptor layout structure and namespace. Hit push. Bam. Now we can continue. What? Like so. Alright, where was I? Right, so now I don't need to do this damn config shit anymore. I can just straight up go here like, oh my god, I need the layout, please. And then I'm gonna be like, yeah, I'm gonna make it. I can make it a, can I make it a constant? I think I can. No, I cannot make it. It needs to be, no, wait, do I? No, it has to be a var.
Heard my code right now is not very good. As long as it works, I will say it's okay.
Yeah, it's alright.
Where's my damn LSP when I need it, huh?
I couldn't tell you.
Right, but then I need to pass the device in here. Well, that makes sense. If I call something like build pipelines, I would assume that that's gonna require my device. Otherwise, that's just kind of weird, so... yeah, I'm gonna take the actual device.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the init... Why is nothing working again? Oh no! I think I might actually have to end the stream early because... Early. Well, pretty much on point because, yeah, I got the math exam and I have some other group projects which I need to take care of. There's a lot of things going on, but a lot of great things coming, alright? So... It's gonna happen. I don't know, I'm pressing buttons right now, but... Alright, wait. Reload. Please. I wanted to see the init. Why don't you...
Are you reloaded?
I am... Fuck, I have the VK
Not
device.
reloaded.
Dude, he's unloaded.
Yo, that's crazy.
I don't want to include the whole... Well, I could take the VK... I could take the device in as an import. I think that's smarter, actually. Should I just call it device? What do we do? The fuck? We call it as much as device logical. I think that makes sense. you can do the same here. I don't want to include the whole Vulkan package, but it's almost starting to look like I have to. Where the fuck did I go? No, wait, I'm in the right spot. I'm tripping. Alright, so then we should be able to change this to just take in the logical device or our Vulkan device. So device, we can take it like that, and then we can pass it the same way. I don't know, I should be persistent with this, to be honest, but I think as long as I'm working with my code, I should pass my kind of device, and as soon as the Vulkan falls, then I could pass the thing that they want, right? Hey, sorry. What's happening? Wait, what the hell? Now we're playing music I should not be playing. Right there. Okay. So damn, time is a lot. Should probably take a shower as well. We'll fix this thing real quick, and then I will go. All right, is that a deal? I think that's a deal. So that binding my an LSP would be awesome here, you know. But I don't need that. I'm like good or something. Harold knows it, right?
Literally not.
Scripture count. And this will be 1, even though. Could I do multiple ones in the same? Oh, maybe let's not get too fancy. Descriptor. Is it type? I think it's called descriptor type. I'm gonna go with that. And then we're just gonna call it then it's that. VK.c. Now the thing is broken somewhere somehow. Sad. Anyways. Then I'm not gonna try to type it. Bam. And we're gonna yank that, and we're gonna go here, we're gonna go here, and we're gonna do that, we're gonna paste it. The fuck did I yank? Bam, easy peasy, nailed it, first try. And then we're gonna do that stage flags.
Tisha, something that's crazy about our language is that technically you're allowed to name a shape.
What's so bad about that?
Yeah.
No, it's just funky.
Oh.
Because I only like check the type whenever, so like I guess we
Wait,
were
Harold.
name the shit that.
I have a Zig question again. So the renderer load obj now doesn't return an int but a struct that is basically an int and an unsigned int. How can I do that in Zig?
Just to see and the
The
type.
reference option unwrap field access found. What the fuck?
So
C dot.
oh, okay, yeah.
Right.
Okay, I see. Yeah, this is where it can fail now.
Deep.
Oh,
Looks so good.
okay, but it works in general. Like, I'm not sure how the OBJ loader's working though, so this is like one thing.
Yeah, but that's fine.
Alright.
Wait, I will try a model that isn't 600,000 lines long.
Right. Fuck.
No, that's it.
And then.
No and then.
Nice. We don't need this anymore.
No, that's it.
And then.
No and then.
Okay, it's not quite there yet. And I also know why.
Alright.
Oh my god.
Right. How did I do this? It was like this. Then it was it? No, it wasn't that. What was it? This? I mean, it's pretty cool, but it's not what I wanted. I always forget this. Such an inconvenient, inconvenient key binding. Cursor, cursor, cursor. This is not Control N. Jump to the next match. But that's what I did. No, it does not work. That, and that's the key binding that I want to use. It doesn't work. Oh, it only works on next match on normal mode. What's a normal? That's not insert, is it? Anyways. Delete normal mode only. Okay. And you add the CN. What the fuck was that? Who did something? Taven is trolling me. Let's see.
Bro.
Sure.
Bro, look, Chef, our language error handling is basically the exact same as in Sig. So I'm having difficulties seeing which error is from Sig and my own language.
That's fire. Oh, not gonna lie, I hate this knocking.
I think someone's knocking at your door.
Knock, knock.
Yeah, I would like to.
Oh, that's why I cannot get it, because it's... That's so annoying. I was lying. Wait, stop.
Get
Please work, please. Wait, maybe it works. I can't tell. Damn. And I'm not willing to push not working shit.
Nah, bro, push everything.
Okay, I guess you're right. Push straight to master, let's go.
Yeah.
Just super stupid sometimes.
Whoa.
Uh,
Heard I have 642,000 insertions. Yeah,
Mm. Yeah,
I
that's what we like to do.
accidentally pushed the big model.
Nah, it's fine.
Nah, I will remove it. Don't wanna.
that should be fine then. Very nice, very nice. I like how I was. Wait, stop! I was lying. Wonder how far does it go with the compiling? Seems to be going.
I don't know.
pretty unused variables. Damn, that's not bad. That's not bad. Alright, are we gonna try to save this? I'm gonna quit all. I'm gonna open it up again. I'm gonna go. Let's see. Material. That's the mesh. It is the mesh. What am I trying to do? I'm pressing the wrong keys. Okay, unused, that's fine. So now if I go visual, that's like this. Oh, it added it. Ah, nice, that's gonna be so
Damn.
easy. Alright, that will be it for today. I don't really have anything to show, to be honest, because yeah, we're still. Bruh. But we did some cool refactoring, continue adding materials, small steps every day, consistency. Soon I will be able to do longer streams. Christmas break is coming. Alright, that will be it.
Right.
Bye bye everyone, I will see you tomorrow. Hit it.
Yeah.